Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Linux MSSL Guide. Today I am going to tell you about the basic functions of Microsoft Excel. So we'll cover two the topics like basic charts, transpose, trend chart, sorting and filter, and then basic text and date function, and then logical series. All this stuff we are going to cover today. So let's start with one by one. Now suppose this is a sales representation data. So I'm selecting this table and I'm going to represent it with some chart. So I'll go to insert. I have come here like charts available over here. Many charts are available. Now here you can see recommended charts, right? So Excel will give you one preview what are the charts can be represented with small amount of data. So for that I'll select this one, and these are the charts available from the Excel which I can represent through this small amount of data. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, just click OK. So chart has been represented over here. Now you can see this chart is bit small, so with this doing presentation is maybe difficult. So what we'll do, I'll just select this chart and go to this move chart button. You can see over here, click here, then go to new sheet and click OK. If you do that, it will be represented in another sheet in a bigger manner. So here what we can do, like first we can change the styles, whatever style we want that we can do. Second thing, color also we can change. If I want color like this, I can change that also. It is up to me. Another thing I can do like filter. So suppose I want to see only money record and your Chandu record. So I'll remove another three and make it apply. So you can see only these two records has been shown. Again, if I select this filter button and select all, so every record will be shown like this. So that's how we can represent in a basic chart in a bigger page, bigger manner. So that is the basic part of this. Let's move on to the next topic now. Let's do transpose. So this is a table, it is in this way. So what I'll do, I want to see this name, city and marks. It will be in horizontal manner. So how will I do that? First select the table, any of the cell you can click and press Ctrl A, then you do Ctrl C. After copying, you can come any of the cell, like I am here right now in J7 cell. So after coming here, I have to go to the home tab and you can see this paste button over here. So select this arrow, down arrow, okay, and go to this paste special, okay, paste special, click here. You can see transpose is there, right? Select this one and press OK. So you can see now the vertical table has been done in horizontal manner. Now this is vice versa. Same way you can do this one. Select this table, Ctrl A, and then copy, Ctrl C, come here, any of the cell, and then again go to home tab, then paste and select this down arrow, go to paste special and again click here transpose, click OK. You can see the same table has come up over here, right? So that is the way you can do the transpose. So this is all about this one. Suppose this is a table you can see from here. I have some employee data from say from January to October. This month I want to see the trend of this employee, how they are performing, right? So how will I do that? So to do the trending chart or trend chart, first you have to select here, come to this trending chart part, then go to insert. You can see sparkline right here. So we'll do with this too. So I'll select this one first, and now they are asking the range. So why it is L2? Because I have already selected L2, so it is showing L2. And just click to this arrow over here and select the range. Range is from here to here. Then again click here and click OK. So you can see the trend chart over here, right? So now you can change the color also of this trend chart if you want. So I can change the style as well. So here I am selecting first, then this is the styles. You can change the style if you want. Any style I can pick. So I'm keeping this one. Then you can come here, you can change the color as well, sparkling color, right? So this color can be changed as well, whatever color you want. Then Marker color also you can check like highest point and lowest point. So if you can check high like green and the low with say red, so you can see maybe it's very small. Now I hope you can see this is the green point, this is the low point, right? Also you can select from here high point. If you want to see, you can select here high point, it's showing like here, and the low point you can see from here, right? So that's how you can do. Now come to the next part. I am making it small again. Select this cell again, we'll go to the insert, again we'll go to the sparklines, then line chart. It was done. I'll go column chart now. Select here again, it's L3 by default selected, so first select here, then select the RAM data, I mean the range of this particular row, hold the range you have to take. Then again you have to click OK, so you can see the bar chart right now. So again you can change the color here. First let's do the high and low. This is the high and this is the low. Low is the very low, so I cannot see right now properly. Can make it big. Even then it's very low, it's showing like here. So I'm changing the marking color now. High point I am making it as green, and low point I am making it as say yellow. Alright, so this is the yellow part. So now all the charts I have to fill. So for that what I'll do, I'll just select all the cells from here. You can select all the cells and can do Ctrl D. So this line chart will be represented with all the cells, or if you want to see with the bar chart, just press Ctrl Z so that you can go back and select here this cell and down the cells you can select and press Ctrl D. From here you have to select and then press Ctrl D, so you can see all the charts as a bar chart, right? So that's how we can do. Suppose I want to delete all this, how can I do that? Just select all the cells on a select and then come to this sparkline. You can see, click here, come here, and then you can see like clear, right? Click here, you can see the clear selected sparklines. Select that, it will be gone. If I want to bring back once again, you have to do Ctrl Z, so it will bring back again, and again you have to do like that. Go to sparkline and then clear selected sparkline. Alright, that's how we can do. Now first let's do this one. This is the employee name. You can see in the text series I'm going to show is a lower, upper and proper. So lower function will do like all the letters will be in low format. Upper function will do all the letters in upper format, and proper means it will see like this as it is here right now. So Arindam Sen, it's A will be first letter, it will be capital. Again the next series of Sen, it will be S in a first letter as a capital. So let's do that. Press equals, then say lower, then tab, it will open your bracket and it is asking the cell reference. So give the reference of the cell, close your bracket, hit enter, it will give you all lower format, right? Now what we'll do, we'll shift and press down arrow and press Ctrl D, so it will take all the cell like this way. Same way, come here, equals, then upper, hit tab, it will open your bracket, again cell reference, close the bracket, hit enter, it is all in uppercase. So again select that one, shift down arrow and click Ctrl D, it will be all in capital letters, right? Same, come here, equals, now proper, and press tab, it will open your bracket, again give the cell reference, close it, enter, again do the same way, select this one, shift down arrow and press Ctrl D, so it will give you all the proper manner as it was like this. Now if I come here and press equals, then today if I write and just hit tab, it will open the bracket, just close it, it will give you the current system date. So so like that it will get it. And if you can select again the cell and shift down arrow control D, it will give you all the date. Same here, you can select that cell and press equal, then now hit tab, it will open the bracket again, close here. Here the difference is you will get the date as well as time, so hit enter, so you will get that current date and time. So again select that cell, shift down arrow control D, so you'll get system date. And now one shortcut is there to get only the date and only the time. So for that we'll do, come to any cell, then control and semicolon. If I do, I'll get the current date only, no time, only date. Now in case of this one, only time if I want to get, then control shift and semicolon. If I do, only time I'll get. Now let's start with sorting and filtering. Alright, so first we'll do activation of the filter. How to do that? Alt D and then FF. If you do that, your filter button will be activated here, you can see. Now suppose I want to filter this column with ascending order, say A to Z. If I do that, you can see as per alphabetical order, it is C has come up and M has come down. Same way, if I do it as descending way, M will be up and C will be down. Another way you can do sorting like by color, so I'm doing that with color. Now here you can see M and C, it doesn't matter what alphabetical order it is, it will just sort you with the record like color code. So that's how it is done. Now moving on to the advanced part. So for that we'll do, you will come here, click here, and we'll go sort by color and go here custom sort. You can see, so right now you can see that by product code, this one is cell color, it is sorted like this, on top it is showing like this. Now I add a label. If I add the label and now I give the second column which is product, you can see this is the second column is product, so I am doing that. Now I'll sort this one with the cell values, so what are the values is there, I'll sort with that. Now I'll make this Z to A, instead of A to Z I'm making it Z to A. If I press OK, you can see, now you can see, because after Z if you go backwards it is going like W, T, so like that it is showing, and here it is sorted with your A to Z with color code, right? Now here you can see color 102 and MOV 02 is there. Why it is so? Even if you have done with A to Z, but because I have selected the choice like with color code only, it is not in alphabetical order, it is only with the color code. So that's how we can move forward. Moving ahead, I am going here, region part, click here, and I wanna see only east region. If you can select like east, not east, east and north, say, click OK. If you can see from here, all the regions are there. So I'm going here, then instead of selecting all, I'm doing only east and north. Okay, select OK, so I can get the region like this. So it is now filter, I'm doing the filter right now. Now come this amount part. Now I wanna see, go to number filter, and I'm putting greater than 75,000 amount only. So there are so many amounts, I am only want to see greater than 75,000 amounts. Okay, so click OK, it will give you for the amounts more than 75,000. So now it is filter is working. Now suppose I want to do it only east. Now if you uncheck this one and keep east, that is also fine, or you can write here east. If you do that and select OK, now 75,000 amount greater than is fine, and which region I'm going to look at, it's only east I'm looking for, so it is giving you like that. So that's how we can proceed further for filtering art. Now after that I'm going to this column. Okay, now here I want only filter with CLO, I don't want this MOV, so I'm writing here for filtering CLO, so it will only give me CLO. Click OK. Now you can see only CLOs are there. So if I do Ctrl Z, it was this. Now once I have done like this, only CLO, it is giving me only CLO. So CLO has given, then product, what are those it has been given, then region filtered, and then amount is also filtered. Now to off this filter, how to do that? Same way you can switch it off, like Alt D F F. If you do that, it will be off. So activate and deactivate, both the way is Alt D F F. So that's how we can activate and deactivate the filter. Moving on to the next one, which is logical. So it's, you can see one table is there where I have written like customer name, total bill, and different items customer has purchased. So what I'll do, if the customer bill is greater than 5,000, he or she will get 10% discount. In case of if, okay. Now or condition, if customer bill is greater than 10,000, or say different item is more than 5 or equals 5, they will get some amount of discount. Make it bigger bit. So he or she will get 20% discount. Okay, it was not actually showing. Then and condition, if the customer bill is greater than 20,000 and different items more than or equals 10, he or she will get 30% discount. Now we'll do nested if as well. If the customer bill is greater than 20,000, it will be grade A. Is greater than 10,000, we'll call it at grade B, and if it is less than 10,000, we'll call it at grade C. Okay, so let's do one by one. So first this one. So condition will be like equals, if, press tab, it will open your bracket. What we'll write is the column is G7, right? So sorry, it's E7, right? This one. So this is the condition we have to put, like if the column E7 is greater than, what is the condition? 5,000. If it is greater than 5,000, then customer will get 10% discount. Okay, and if it is not like that, then put not eligible, and you have to put it in quote. When a number or text you are using, you have to put like inside the quotation. Okay, so it will be not eligible, and quotation closed, bracket close. Now if I put enter, you can see, because the condition has matched with the customer bill, he or she will get 10% discount. Why? First of all, condition has matched, like it is greater than 5,000, it is matched, his or her bill is 17,500. Next condition, then it will get 10% discount, because it has covered the condition, it will get 10% discount. If it is not more than 5,000 bill, it will be less than. Okay, or say not eligible. So what I'll do here, again click that cell, particular cell where we have get 10%, select it, press shift and down arrow, and then Control T. So you'll get 10% discount everywhere, because nowhere is bill like less than 5,000, right? Now if I make it 4,000, say 4,000, it should be not eligible, right? See, it's not eligible because it's less than 5,000. I'm putting it back, so like that it is done. Now next condition is OR. Okay, so again first we'll write the OR condition, then we'll put if. Okay, first equals, then OR, then open the bracket, we'll write like if E7 is greater than 10,000 and if F7, which is different item column, which is F7 is greater than or equals, F7 is greater than or equals say 5, if this item is more than 5 as per the condition is given, then the customer will get discount of 20%, right? So what we'll do here, we'll put a nested if over here. So I'm closing this bracket and then giving comma over here. I'll do E7 cross 20%, that means 0.2, right? So I want to show the amount, whatever amount he or she will get, and then I'll put like not eligible, say any. Okay, putting the bracket over here and coming back here. I'm coming back here again, I'm putting another bracket, and before that I'm putting if. Okay, so now it is like if, like if condition is if this is true then do this, if not do this. Okay, so first OR condition we have given, which is E7 greater than 10,000, yes, and F7, which is item number, greater than 5, yes. If this one or this one is condition is okay, then we'll give discount of 20%, which is this one. Or else if it is both the condition is not matching any of them, we'll give not eligible. Okay, now hit enter. See this much amount I am getting as a discount. So again I'm selecting this cell, shift down arrow, Control D. So this kind of amount customers are getting as a discount. Now why it is not eligible? Because first of all bill is not more than 10,000, you can see, and also item is less than 5, so customer will not get the discount. So that's how it is done. Condition is if customer bill is greater than 20,000 and different item is greater than 10 or equals 10, then the discount will be 30%. Again we'll do here like equals, then and condition will give first and then press tab. Here I'll first give E7 should be greater than 20,000. Okay, that is bill E7 is greater than 20,000 first. Next and condition I have to give F7, cell number F7, it is greater than or equals 10. Okay, bracket close, and then we'll give discount how much? 70%, because 30% discount means 70% bill I have to pay, right? 70% bill I have to pay. So like that I'm showing here. It will be 7 cross 0.7 and then comma, we'll put again not eligible if the condition is not getting satisfied. Okay, put bracket here and again put another bracket here, and just before that we'll put if. Okay, so every condition has to satisfy. So you can see if these two condition is true, then customer will get discount of this much, and if it is false it will be not eligible. So it is not eligible. Why? Customer bill is not greater than 20,000, first condition not met. Second condition we have given different item greater than or equals 10, which is also not met, so he or she will not get the discount. So like that again select the cell, shift down arrow, Control D, only this customer will get the discount. Why? Both the condition is getting satisfied. Bill is greater than 20,000 and item is more than 10. Okay, so that's why Ravindra will get the discount. So here we'll do first if condition, then we'll put in nested if. Okay, equals, then if, press tab. First we write if E7 is greater than 10,000, then the grade is B, right? Grade B. If not, if it is less than 10,000, as I have shown over here, it will be grade C. Grade C. So that is one condition. Bracket close. Again, I give here before this one, this if I have put another condition. I have to put another one. Why? I have to satisfy grade A also. So for that I'll write if, again put a bracket, if E7 is greater than 20,000, then it will be grade A. Okay, and if it is not grade A, then definitely it will go to grade B and grade C, right? And I am putting one condition here to satisfy both the condition, and then putting bracket here. Hit enter, so you'll get the grades like grade B here. It has come. So this is the condition I have to give. So again, select this one, shift down arrow, control D. So you'll get all the grades like this, right? So we have done like, if this is the condition we have given, if this is true, then get 10% discount. If not eligible. Same condition we have put like here in a nested way for and also, and then again if is a nested way. So that's how we can do this. Another way we can do this last one, we can do this with IFS also, but the IFS will work only for new version. So what we'll do, equals IFS function tab, then we'll give the condition once again, E7 if it is greater than 20,000, then grade A, then comma E7 is greater than 10,000, then it is grade B, right? If E7 is less than 10,000, then it is grade C, right? And then close the bracket. You'll get the same result like this one. So this is the condition you have to give, and again select this cell, down arrow, shift, then down arrow, control D. So you'll get all the grades like the same. So here if condition is there, here IFS condition is there, right? So that's how we'll be doing this one, folks. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post the new video here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Keep watching videos, keep sharing knowledge. If you like my video, please stay to my channel. Thank you so much. We'll meet with you soon on another topic. Thank you.